In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on polynomials. At the end of the lesson, we should be able to identify polynomials, perform addition and subtraction of polynomials, multiplication of polynomials, and also division of polynomials. If you appreciate what I'm doing, I want you to hit the subscribe button. It is free. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Don't also forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. So what is polynomial? A polynomial is an algebraic expression that's of the form ax raised to the power of n, where a is a constant or coefficients of the variable, then the x takes the form of the variable, and then n represents a non-negative integer. So an algebraic expression that satisfied these two conditions are referred to as polynomials. So let's take for instance, if you have 2x raised to the power 5. So as you can see, this exponent here, which is 5, is a non-negative integer, and then this 2 is the coefficient of this x, or the constant, and then the x is the variable. Now, for example, another example is, let's say you have x raised to the power 6. So here the coefficient of this x, or the constant, is 1, and also for example 2x raised to the power 7. So all of these are polynomials. Now if you have, for example, 7x raised to the power negative 2, now note that this is not a polynomial. This is because this negative 2 is not a non-integer, is not a non-negative integer. So this negative 2 here must be positive for it to be a polynomial. So let's discuss addition and subtraction of polynomials. For addition of polynomials, if you have 3x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then we're asked to add it to x squared plus 3x minus 4. Now note that we have x squared here, and then we have 3x squared here. So in addition of polynomials, we combine the terms with similar or the same exponents. So any term that is of the same exponent, we are going to combine them. So 3x squared plus x squared is equals to 4x squared. Then we have plus 4x plus 3x is equals to 7x. Then we have 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So the sum of these two polynomials is 4x squared plus 7x. So let's add this polynomial again. We have 5p raised to the power 3, then minus 2p plus 9, then this is plus, we have 3p squared plus 4p minus 1. So I have to add these polynomials. So we have 5p raised to the power 3. Now this is plus. As you can see, there's no term here with exponent of 3. So we're going to just write this one here, 5p raised to the power 3. Then here now we don't have any term with this exponent of 2. So we also write this one as plus 3p squared. So this is 3. Now we have minus 2p plus 4p, which is equals to plus 2p. Now we have 9 minus 1, which is equals to plus 8. So this is the answer to this question. Now note that since we don't have any term here with the exponent of 3, we can just represent it with something like 0p raised to the power 3. Okay, so that 5p raised to the power 3 plus 0p raised to the power 3 will give us 5p raised to the power 3. Alright, so it's just the same thing. So let's subtract these polynomials. We have 8y raised to the power 3 minus 6y squared, then plus y minus 9 minus 3y cubed plus 2y squared minus 4y plus 1. So let's perform this operation we're given here. So first we are going to use this negative sign to open this bracket. So we're going to have 8y cubed minus 6y squared plus y minus 9. The minus times plus here is minus 3y cubed. The minus plus is minus 2y squared. Minus times minus is plus 4y. The minus plus 1 is minus 1. So if you perform this operation, you have 8y cubed minus 3y cubed is equals to 5y cubed. So we have negative 6y squared, then minus 2y squared is equals to minus 8y squared. So you have plus y plus 4y is equals to, that's y plus 4y is equals to plus 5y, and then minus 9 minus 1 is equals to minus 10. So this is the answer to this question. Let's go ahead and discuss multiplication of polynomials. If you have 2x cubed minus x plus 4, I want to multiply it with x squared plus 3. So what we're going to do here is to use each term here and multiply each of the term in this second parenthesis. Use this term here, multiply these two terms, and then this one here, multiply these two terms. So when we do that, we're going to have 2x cubed times x squared will give us 2x. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. That's applying the loss of indices here. So also we have 2x cubed times 3 is equals to 2 times 3 is 6x cubed. Now it's the turn of this negative x. So negative x times x squared is equals to negative x cubed, that is 2 plus 1, which is this 3. Then we have negative x times positive 3 is negative 3x. So this for now, we have 4 times x squared, we have plus 4x squared, and then 4 times 3 will give us plus 12. So let's collect like terms here, or let's add similar terms with the same exponents. So we have 2s raised to power 5, so we don't have any other exponents of 5 here, so we write that 2x5 here. So we have plus 6x cubed minus x cubed is equals to 5x cubed. Then we have plus 4x squared, then minus 3x plus 12. So this is the answer to this question now. So this is how to multiply polynomials.